So I'm happy to say the AFC Coaching Convention approved the MFFA diploma course. It is the first time experience for the Mongolian football and they successfully completed. So first time, so I was not sure about the level of the coaches and a little bit anxious about that. But after beginning the course, so the standard of the coaches and especially their passion, highly motivated, that makes me so happy to conduct the course. So first module we did in August. So it was a little bit start from individual. And I put into many group discussions and group work. And the second module, it was a little bit cold the November, but fantastic work they did together with the colleagues. So I was so impressed. They cooperated as a head coach, assistant coach, and goalkeeper coaches or so on. That cooperative work, it was so it makes me great belief for the further football development of Mongolian MFA. So it was really fantastic experience for me. I visited many countries and conducted many courses, but this is absolutely one of the best impressive course for me because thanks to the motivated participants and thanks to my assistant and so fantastic organization by MFF. Thanks so much.